Welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna be making ice cream nail art. For this, first apply nude colored nail paint on your nail. After it dry, use thin paintbrush to paint thin diagonal line and create a check pattern with light brown color. Now using same thin brush and light yellow color, overlap brown lines. Now using white nail paint, draw dripping ice cream on tip of your nails. Lastly, use colorful acrylic color and draw small sprinkle in ice cream. Here are some final result. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.